Well, what are we up for today?
అమ్మలు బాబులు బుజ్జులు కుక్కలు ఇటు చూడాలి ఒక్క ఫోటో ఫ్యామిలీ ఫోటో ఏది 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 నవ్వు వేసుకోండి స్మైల్ హౌ మెనీ పప్పీస్ డు వి హ్యావ్ 1 2 3 4 5 ఆదిత్య నెంబర్ 6 నితీష్ నెంబర్ 7 అవినావ్ నెంబర్ 8 and Akash number 9. Woof woof. Well, Nitish and Akash used to pet them when they were small babies. Look at their excitement. They're so happy to see the kids again. Kujara, chudavra, challenge ra, sitting challenge. 2. Ayyo padpadu. Down he goes. ఎక్కిపోతున్నాయి రెండు నిమిషం ఆదిత్య అటాక్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ లవ్ Aditya, sit down now. They're munching on your hair. Get up, Aditya. No, get up. Alex, hi, Alex. You look like a hyena, baby hyena. Like a baby hyena. Oh. Alex. And this one is the mom? Yeah. This one looks like a Dalmatian. Hello. Hi. Huh? Em chestunnaa nuvu? Tummy rub? You want a tummy rub? Ask for it. Ask for it. There you go. One free tummy rub coming up. Abhina, what is the puppy saying?
Rub my tummy. Rub my tummy. I love it.
We also learned a few things from these dogs.
Hi, hi.
Just how happily we can chill out without any inhibitions. Aditya enjoyed learning how to dig like a dog. After passionately trying for a little while, he realized maybe he doesn't need all 4 limbs for this job. Just 2 hands will do. So he finally figured it out. Well, good for you, Aditya. Good job. He also tried to learn how to wag his tail like a dog. Well, he realized he didn't have one. So friends, did you enjoy this lovely trip with us? Stay tuned for more videos. I'll keep posting every week. Until then, whoop whoop. Have a nice week. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe. Bye bye.